This is the HDMI adapter from Connect2Apple. It simply plugs into your iPad or iPhone and then connects to your TV via an HDMI cable. On the iPad 2, it supports the video mirroring feature. This feature is not available on iPad 1. The Connect2Apple adapter supports video, YouTube, photos, slideshows, and other applications such as the BBC iPlayer, ITV player, and TV apps such as Film on TV.
You see, they're very much like a speaker.
With a Connect2Apple HDMI adapter, you can bring iPad and iPhone videos to life on your HD TV.